just baby boy. Say hi to the camera. Just a baby. Don't attack me. Doesn't want to be part of the video. Hello my babies, you're here again with me, baby. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, here's the thing. I know that the rainy season is official, but you know me, there ain't no stopping a staycation or a getaway of some sort, and that is exactly what I'm doing this weekend. That said, I'm a person who likes to be very conscious about what I pack. I mean, I try to be. The entire bag list might be a little bit too long for you, so let's just go through what I plan to bring in my everyday handbags instead. Kind of a what's in your bag, so to speak, or what I plan to put in my bag. Let's break it down. Item number one is my wallet. This is the wallet that I try to use when I'm trying to pack light. It has the name of my cat. Next item that I can't possibly live without is my phone, of course. I have here the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, and you know, the flipping is it's just something else. It makes me so happy. It transports me back into childhood. Ooh, nostalgic. Goodbye. Next item is my mini fan. This is so helpful, even despite the rains recently. It gets so humid, you guys, and I just cannot stand it. I like that this thing folds as well, so I can put it in many bags. Cue slow-mo. Item number 4, my bucket hat. It's flippable into a black hat, so it's black pink in your area. So basically, it's very versatile, and I like to use it in case it all of a sudden rains maybe, and I'm not prepared with an umbrella, or even just, you know, to add a little pizzazz or spice to my outfit. Why not? Next item is this one. It is my Nivea Extra Brightening Deo. So this is what I use to make my armpits extra smooth. It has 50 times more vitamin C, which gives extra radiant and bright underarms. Plus, it has extra collagen protection for smooth and healthy underarms. Next up, let's talk lippy. I found this lip gloss on Strokes. It is so nice. It says it is tempting red, but it comes off a bit pink, which I really love. Also smells so good, my gosh. And I know this won't fit all of my bags, but this is a blanket, which I feel might be very useful if, for example, I want to do a random picnic, or if all of a sudden I see like a lot of grass and it's gonna be like a nice photo shoot. Bam! Ready with a blanket. You never know. Okay, now that we've got the items, let's try to put them in the bag. First bag over here. Obviously, I love the color blue. This one is from Beyond the Vines. I plan to use this for tours or maybe cafe trips because it's just so lightweight. The pop of color is just too adorable as well, so it'll go with literally anything. You don't have to wear this whole blue outfit, okay? So let's put things in. Wallet, no problem. Cell phone, no probs either. Mini fan, now this is where it gets a bit challenging, but I promise you it still fits. I would actually prefer not to put the hat in. I would maybe put this in a pocket, or actually just wear it, because the bag is a little small. It's starting to get full now, but it will still fit the deo for sure. You always have to bring this, guys. You never know what situation might happen. That's just from my experience. You can never be too prepared. Lippy! Bam! And blanket definitely will not fit anymore. So that's that. My gosh, this bag fit almost everything. Now, in case we have to go somewhere a little bit fancier, maybe meet some friends, eat dinner, I will bring this Charles & Keith bag. I wear it everywhere, but it's okay, it's okay. I don't really like wearing designer bags when I go on trips. I just don't want to have an extra thing to worry about, so I go for mid-range bag instead. Obviously, this is smaller, but it will fit the wallet for sure. Phone. A classy dinner out is not a place for a mini fan, so I'm just gonna leave that at the hotel if ever. Deo, still a must. Lippy. Leaving the hat at home, as well as the blanket. That's that. Last bag that I do plan to pack is this one. The one that Nivea actually gave, but I like it because it is made out of plastic. So I definitely can bring it everywhere. I can bring this to the swimming pool, to the beach, and I don't have to worry about it getting wet or anything like that, which is perfection. Look at this cute little twilly. It's so cute. We already know that everything's gonna fit in here, but obviously we're just gonna demo it. Wallet. Phone, just be a little bit more gentle. Mini bag. Hat. Deodorant. Lippy. And the last, the blanket of destiny, which I realized could actually work as like a scarf if I really needed one. As alamigin. Yan! Now, finally, they all fit. Anyway, that's it. It is now actually time for me to pack the real luggage, the clothes, the underwear, the socks, everything. If I missed out on anything, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you on how you packed for your vacation. I'll see you guys again next time. Peace and love. Bye!